Hi guys, thank you for stopping by our channel. So glad to have you here. Today we're going to be taking you along as we get ready or mentally get ready for our 2-week vacation in just 2 weeks. I can't believe it's already here. We booked this trip, oh gosh, last February I believe, and we've been anticipating it for a while. It's a cruise and few flights because we're going to be doing a cruise, and then we're going to New York, we're doing a cruise, and then we're going to take a train to Washington DC, which we've never been there, and see what that's about, and then come home. So we're going to take you along with us and show you all the things, all the sights. But first, we do need to have a packing session. We are going to be brave and bold and use carry-on only. Carry-on only, yes, I did say that. Carry-on only. Carry-on and a backpack. That's what we're doing for 2 weeks. I think we can do it. I believe in us. We were just gonna do a backpack. We tried it and it didn't work very well. So we're gonna be doing a carry-on and a backpack. So we look forward to shooting that video, and I'm sure you're gonna look forward to watching that one because it might be a little funny. But back to the subject. So we need a checklist. We need to make sure that we have everything in order. Our flights, our train tickets, our cruise material, our passports, because you'll need a passport. When you leave the country, you need a passport. Unless you have one of those real IDs. I don't know. I always travel with the passport anyways, just in case I don't want to get stuck anywhere. Well, depends on where that is. I might want to get stuck. I'm just kidding. So yes, we need a checklist. So we need to make sure we have everything we need. We need to check the weather. Is it going to be raining? Is it cold? It's not going to be cold where we're going, but it might be raining, so we might want to bring a rain jacket or something, like that, just to keep us dry. Maybe a nice hat that, we can wear when it rains or something, and maybe a little towel, dry us off. But also, in terms of rain, is there going to be a hurricane or a tsunami, or not a tsunami? There won't be a tsunami. We're going to go on a ship. No tsunami. I meant a typhoon, which is the same as a hurricane, but on the other side of the world. No. So, but we do need to make sure there's no hurricanes in the forecast because we are in hurricane season, and so we will be checking the weather next week. 1 week before we leave, we'll make sure that there's no impending hurricanes because we'll need to plan and prepare the house for that if that's needed. And but the kids are going to be here, and so they should be fine. And but all the checklist is, you gotta have your travel insurance. Has work approved your time off? Of course, you better have asked long ago when you made your trip plans. So everything should be golden in that area. All your bills have been paid before you leave, and all your prescriptions and whatnot been picked up, because you want to be able to relax on your trip, okay? So yes, once again, big vacation starts before you even arrive. Just spending a little bit of time preparing and getting organized can really save you from a lot of unnecessary stress, and it'll let you enjoy your vacation that much more. And that way you can, spend time just decompressing and having fun on your trip, what you've worked so hard for. And if you have your own travel prep tips, please drop them in the comments below and let me know if I've missed something, if you have something to add, or if you have any questions, or just want to chat. Leave it in the comments below. Otherwise, just have a great day, and we'll see you in a couple of weeks, okay? Thank you for stopping by again. Bye, friends.